Did you know that over the past year, as the market slowed due to rate hikes, homeowners gained an average of over $30,000 in equity? Here's how that equity can make a big difference in your life. You can use that equity to buy a home that fits your changing needs. Do you have a very small house? Use that equity to power you into moving to a larger home. Too much space, perhaps an empty nester. Use it to buy a smaller home that better suits your lifestyle. Are you not ready to move just yet? You can also use it to reinvest in your current house to increase your home's overall value. Partner with a trusted advisor like me to help you decide which home improvement projects could help you get the greatest return on your investment if you decide to sell down the line. And finally, you can use it to pursue your personal goals like retiring, starting a business, funding an education, or investing in positive cash flowing properties as well. If you're curious about how much equity you have, feel free to email or text me. Call me for a strategy in an equity assessment session. I can help you plan for your next move.